Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tonia White. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the Ankara dresses my mom brought from Nigeria. Recently, I just had a baby and I still have my belly bump, so I want to see if these Ankara dresses will fit this body. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the notification button when you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting videos. Material on the list is this gown. Yeah, so I got this gown for me so you can see how it looks. Yeah, so it's pretty big. Yeah, so I don't know if she was hoping that I was going to add weight. So the material is this. So it comes like this. So this was not exactly what I asked for. So what I asked for, the material here is a satin material, very light satin material. I love this. This looks so cheeky. Yeah, so it's a short gown. Yeah, this is actually my size. I don't have any complaints for this one. So I think it just came out right. No complaints. Yeah, it just came out right. Now is this one. So it just looks like a jogger trousers and a crop top. So I still have my belly, so you guys should ignore this. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Yeah. It has pockets, but it seems kind of tight from the waist. Like it seems tight. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the other one. This looks so good. I look like a rich auntie. I look like a rich auntie, rich madam. Yeah, I love this. I paired it with a trouser, a mommy jean. Yeah, so how do I look? Yeah, so don't forget to comment which look you love from all of the outfits that I've tried. So just tell me which one you love the most. Yeah, so this is the last one. This is how it looks. So I'm going to be rocking it with this. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. So don't forget to comment down below